안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make Korean oyster pancake, 굴전. Oysters are often called the milk of the ocean. Oysters are rich in essential amino acids, vitamins, and calcium. It's very delicious when you eat raw oyster with some lemon juices, but if you are not familiar with the fishy smell, then this dish is perfect for you. My husband doesn't like the oyster when it's raw because of the smell and the texture, but he loves this oyster pancake. Even I made lots of oyster pancakes, it's gone. He ate them all. So today I'm going to make and eat them all alone. Okay, then let's set the table. First, I'm going to wash oysters. In a bowl, pour the cold water and put 1 teaspoon of coarse salt. And put the oysters in it and stir them very carefully. Let it sit for 5 minutes to remove the impurities. After that, wash in clean cold water for 2 to 3 times very gently. And drain well. During the time, beat the egg well. You don't have to make a bubble. And make the dipping sauce. Put soy sauce, vinegar, water, red pepper powder, and red pepper in a bowl, and mix them well. On a tray, put oysters and sprinkle the Korean pancake mix using a strainer. Coat well with pancake mix on both sides. Okay, then preparation is over and we are ready to make 굴전. In a nonstick pan, turn on the medium-high heat first and then heat oil on it. Next, dip the oyster into the egg and coat well. Put this one by one on a pan using a spoon because it's very soft. When the bottom turns brown, turn the pancake over carefully. Pan fry both sides until it's crispy and golden brown. Move them to serving plate and serve it with dipping sauce. Smells are fabulous. I can't wait anymore. Let's dig in. It's melting in my mouth. It's already seasoned because the oysters have the taste of the ocean. But if you need some strong taste, then dip this into the sauce. You can taste the fully soft flavor. Inside is very moist and the egg makes it very savory. It's so yummy. And I think it can be a great snack or side dish in the winter. This is the last one. Today I made guljeon. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.